Welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Bryan Fagan, an attorney at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today we're addressing a crucial topic for those facing financial constraints during divorce: access to justice, pro bono divorce attorneys in Texas. Divorce can be emotionally and financially challenging, but financial difficulties should not prevent anyone from accessing legal assistance during this critical time. That's where pro bono divorce attorneys come in. These are legal professionals who offer their services for free to those in need. In Texas, there is an organization of attorneys dedicated to providing pro bono legal services, including assistance with divorce cases. These services aim to bridge the gap for individuals who may not have the means to hire a private attorney. Accessing pro bono divorce services in Texas typically involves contacting legal aid organizations or pro bono programs in your area. These programs evaluate your eligibility based on your financial circumstances and the nature of your case. To better understand the importance of pro bono services, let's consider a real-life scenario. Imagine a parent struggling financially after separation who's seeking custody and child support. They may not have the resources to hire a private attorney. In this situation, they can connect with a pro bono divorce attorney to ensure their rights are protected and their child's well-being is secured. Legal aid organizations across Texas play a significant role in providing pro bono services. These organizations have attorneys who dedicate their time and expertise to helping those in need to navigate the complexities of divorce and family law. Additionally, pro bono services often rely on the support of the legal community and volunteers who are passionate about ensuring access to justice. These volunteers contribute their time and resources to making pro bono assistance available to those facing financial challenges. In conclusion, pro bono divorce attorneys and legal aid organizations are crucial resources for those individuals who cannot afford private legal representation during divorce. Access to justice should be available to all, regardless of financial constraints. If you find yourself in need, don't hesitate to explore pro bono services in Texas. You're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you throughout the complexities of divorce and family law. If you have any questions or need legal assistance related to divorce, child custody, or any other family law matter, whether through pro bono services or other avenues, don't hesitate to reach out. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more valuable information. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.